improve your leg step right now by doing this exercise. So imagine someone pulls your knee up, like the skin of your knee up. So go up, 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 boom, straight. Then again, up, 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 so your ankle all the way up, straight. Up, straight. And 1, and 2, and 3, keep doing it. 4, 5, yes, that's much better, yes. Lift it, yes. That's it, boom, much better. And back heel turn out, yeah.
Okay.
Try one time. That's much better. Let's time it now. So we'll go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and land in the end crusader walk.
Yeah.
Got it? Try. Keep your posture, don't forget. Right. So we go and lift, pull, 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 pull. Yes. 3, 4, and then quick ones. Chick and smaller and boom and boom. Right. Hold on. Finish foot. Beautiful. Hip up. Bend the leg. Bend the right leg. Hip up. Chest up. Like that. Got it? Yes. Try one more time. Same thing. From the beginning. But your posture, joint. Turn them up. Right. Beautiful. Lift, lift, lift. Think, yeah, always this part you're trying to lift more. So you don't want to be low like this. You want to lift it all the time. Right. Slow, slow. Pam, 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 and crusader walk. Boom. Nice. And this open. Much better. Great job. Yes, something else? Okay. From the beginning, the entire routine. So, Joanna, let's do our footwork, right? Correct way. So we start from the beginning, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. And here, a little secret: when we pass, our feet should be together, absolutely together. So you press in, and you're not just there, you press in literally your working leg towards your standing leg. And we're lifting out. Imagine someone pulls your knee up, 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 up. That's how your foot always should be, like in lockstep we did with you, right? So then you go ball foot together, same thing. You very tight feet, very tight. Then step, right? Then again, collect. Remember knee, yes, right, exactly. And heel press into the standing leg. Yes, much better. So step together, chain. And when you see, when I track my foot, I always, like, this is a little secret, little tip. I always imagine someone pulls my knee up like this. My ankle is really high. And together, same idea. You pull your knee up. So it's pretty much every single step. So you go Bachukada 1, then break, and quick, quick, slow, sit, and boom, crusader walk. Finish it, yes. Cross step, boom. Then little tip for wiggle, right? How to do this wiggle really, 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 really like wiggly. First, let's create a position like you lean slightly forward, like you're playing, imagine you're playing basket, like volleyball or something. You're leaning forward, or playing tennis, for example, right? You're ready to act, so you don't want to be just straight staying like this, right? So ready. And then you go tap, 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 faster, faster, faster. And basically this part you just relax. Yes, that's awesome, right? So we go 1, 2, then break 3, 4, 5, 6, sit. So again, here, this whole topic we're working on, it's lifting your kind of knee up with the ankle up. That's everywhere, basically. Lock step we did in the beginning, all the steps. So you're always trying to pull your knee up. Like this, you have much prettier position, and bring this hip more out, but your shoulder blade press down towards the hip. Yes, beautiful. And chest forward. Yes. Yeah, very nice, right? So from here, keep it here, you will go karaoke run and cross and boom. And remember, same idea, come back. From here, how you track your foot, you collect first, right? And imagine you pulling your knee up and then straight. So your foot still pointed there. Then twist your shoulders a little bit, right? So like someone is stretching there. Lift your arm and relax the front arm in the elegant position. Right, beautiful. Right. Don't move your leg to the right. Yeah, yes. And this leg, right, super straight, engaged. Yeah, 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 yeah. But don't over rotate. Hold on, ribs. Yeah, right. Boom. Very straight position. So next, and cross and together. And again, the same idea. You pull in your knee up, and your ankle will be much higher. Right? Yes. It's not easy, but it's beautiful. Right. Right. Keep pressing inside the heel. I don't want to see the skin of your shoe in the mirror, so I want to press it in even more. Right, like that. Here, think like a snake there. Ooh. And the next straight, yes. Here, around me, step, and whoom, straight leg. Hop, right. Relax your shoulders, right. Very nice. Then